is my cooking video. So today we're going to bake some banana cake. First, we're going to wash hands. This is my ingredients. 1 cup of milk, 1/4 of butter, and salt, baking soda, sugar, banana, 2 eggs, flour powder. First, we're going to put the sugar in the large bowl. Next is the 2 eggs. Then together. Next is the milk. Carefully. And butter. And mix. Add the baking soda and salt in the flour. And mix the baking soda, salt, and flour. Put the flour in this bowl. Be careful. Be careful because the flour and liquid. Just slow. At lastly, put the banana. We're done, guys. So next, we're going to put this on a baking pan. So guys, we're done. Our pan is ready. And here's another one. Let's preheat the oven to 175 and suction here and press on. Let's put the pan into the oven. Let's open first the oven. While waiting for our banana cake, let's clean the mess. Hi guys, now we finished the cake. And now we might here.